As I promised in a very last video that I will share with you few pranayams and mudras which will help you to have a necessary blood circulation on your face, so you will have a glowing skin all the time. So let's start from the very basic pose, which is called the child pose. But you have seen many of the child the way it is doing. So you can have a maximum blood circulation by that child pose. So let's start. It's a very basic pose. You have to sit that way. Is it clear? You have to sit that way and you have to go all the way down forward. So in that position, your hand would be forward in that position. You can do it 2 to 15 minutes. So after doing that, you will see the necessary blood on your face. You will have a glowing skin. So I'll do one minute or 1.5 minutes. And after that, you have to move your hand backward like this. Well, so that was the first mudra, which was the child pose. Effective pose and pranayam that will help you to have a necessary blood circulation, which is very easy. You have to stay like that. You have to stay on your knees and you have to go back by helping your feet, by touching your feet. Like you have to touch one and the second, and you have to be relaxed. You'll feel a pressure on your face like this. So you can do it 30 to 45 seconds every day. So you will have a necessary blood circulation on your face. The third one is the miracle pose. You have to do it if you're looking for the glowing and healthy skin. So let me explain you how you have to do it, because I cannot do by speaking. So firstly, you have to close your ear, right? And you have to inhale through your mouth. Then you will close your eyes, close your nose and the chin as well. Then you have to go all the way down. So let's see how I do it. I have closed my ear. Then I'll intake through my mouth like this. You have seen the pressure on my face, blood circulation on your eyes, so you don't have to open up your eyes instantly after doing that particular part. So what I suggest you to do these pranayams every single day and you have a glowing skin. The third pranayam, which is the headstand, you have to learn it because you cannot do it in a very first day. Let's see how I do it. And I will share you in a very next video how you can have a balanced headstand like this. Right? So you have to do it. You have to learn how you can have a balanced headstand, because you have seen my face as well. It would be pumped, it would be pressured by the blood circulation. So thank you so much.